welcome to the second lesson, lesson number 2. Today I'm going over the G chord, the C chord, and the D chord. But first, let's tune up. E note, A note, D note, G note, B note, and E note. Alright, let's go over the G chord. Now when you play the G chord, there's several different ways that I play it. Depends on what you're going to do with it. Sometimes you want to play it with your third finger here and your little finger on the bottom and your second finger on the second string down on the second fret. Now the reason you might want to play it like this is so you can augment it like this. Basically playing a G augmented, and then you lift it back off like that. Most people play a G chord like this, with the middle finger on the third fret at the top, the first finger on the second fret on the second string, right there, and then the third finger on the last string on the third fret. Most people play it like that. I like playing it like this too. I bar these two with my third finger. I bar the bottom two strings like that, and I just put my second finger on the G note. But the second finger is also muffing this string. That string doesn't play. And you get more of a kind of a interesting sound. I like it. It's a little bit full. It's good for rhythm, you know. So listen to the difference. You have this, and you have this, which is the same as the previous one, but you have the option of doing this. So try the G like this, and then hammer on this, or lay down this suspended G. Like that. That's good. That's good. You got that? All right. Let's do the C chord. That like this. All right. One more time. Very good. Now let's go to the D chord. with your little finger. And then bring it back to the D. And then go back to the G chord. So now we're going to try a rhythm real slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to the C. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And back to the G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do the D. Ready? 3, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And back to the G. And augment it. Suspend it. Whatever. You get the idea. So you ready to go a little faster? Now we're going to suspend it quicker and come back to the root quicker on each chord like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enjoyed the second lesson. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the third lesson. Have a good day.